Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to buy options on the Robinhood app. First, you need to enable options trading within your account settings. Navigate to the investing section and apply for options trading. Robinhood offers 4 distinct options trading levels, each with varying permissions. Make sure you have enough funds in your account to cover the cost of your chosen contracts before proceeding with any trades. It's an exciting journey. Understanding the basics is key before you dive in. Each options contract typically represents 100 shares of the underlying stock. A call option gives the holder the right, but not the obligation, to buy the stock at a specific price. Conversely, a put option grants the right to sell. This specific price is known as the strike price, and it's crucial for determining potential profit or loss. Now let's place a trade. Find the stock you're interested in on Robinhood and tap Trade Options. You'll then see a chain of available options. Select your preferred expiration date and the strike price that aligns with your strategy. Next, specify how many contracts you wish to buy. Remember, each represents 100 shares. Finally, choose your order type, like a limit order, and review before submitting. After placing your trade, it's important to actively monitor your options positions. Market conditions can change rapidly, affecting your contract's value. You have the flexibility to sell your option contracts at any time before expiration to lock in profits or cut losses. Be aware that if an option is not exercised or sold by its expiration date, it can expire worthless, meaning you lose your initial investment. Stay informed.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.